Got one. Here we go. Morning, everybody. Welcome to the French River in Canada. We're on just me today, all by myself. Actually, here on a family fishing trip up here in Ontario, Canada. Like I said, right here on the French River. We're staying at the Bears Den Lodge here. This is like the main lodge area. Boats and stuff are down here. And got cabins down here. And we got this great view up here on top of the French River. We're on a fishing trip, so we do this every single year up here, usually on the French River. And I thought, hey, let's film it this year, at least one day, and show you what it's all about, what we're doing, and stuff like that. So we are. So currently it is. I believe June 14th, 15th, middle of June. It's a Friday. We're supposed to have perfect weather. 70 degrees, 72 degrees, and lots of sun today. Got some rain yesterday, but should be perfect weather. We're gonna go on a bit of a longer ride today, bringing our lunches and everything, and we're gonna head out to the Pickerel River and fish out that way, and then kind of head back. So we'll be out there, 7-8 hours at least today, fishing for mostly pike. So see if we can catch any monsters today to show you. But mostly it's just going to be a lot of views. Maybe I'll show you some fish we catch. These views are great. I think I probably get the drone out in some certain spots, and you can kind of get an above of what this area looks like. It's kind of a unique setting. So, I got to go ahead and get the rest of my stuff packed up here, because we are heading out here as soon as we can, so we can get to the fishing spots before it gets a little too late in the afternoon from the bite. We've been catching pretty good fish so far. Basically, everybody's getting, 7 or 8 fish a day. The big ones haven't been out. We caught a couple of 33-inch pike, but mostly they're around 20 inches. So hopefully we can reel in a monster today. We're going to some areas that we've done really well in the past. So hopefully the big ones will be coming out, and we can show you some good big fish and some awesome scenery. Okay, let's go ahead, get our stuff, and get going. Okay, so we are here at our first stop of the day in Hidden Bay. This is Bowfin Bay. Water level's a little low if you look at the side of the water here, much lower than we're normally used to. So we're gonna head in and around all over in Hidden Bay here for most of the morning at least, and see what we get. So throw some casts out. Pretty shallow, maybe 4 feet here, but we've been catching them pretty shallow. So lots of lily pads. So see what we can catch, and maybe I can catch something on film here. Show you what they look like when we get one on the boat. Well, just 2 casts later, we got one in the boat. Yeah, he just de-hooked himself as well. Cool. This is what we're fishing for. These are the pike. This is a tiny one. Let's see here. Get an idea about how long he is. About 16 inches. Well, that's what a pike looks like. They got really sharp teeth. But that's them. We just got to catch one that's maybe twice as big. Okay, back to fishing. Fish number 2 also de-hooked himself here. A little bit bigger. Also pike. We're looking at just short of 18 inches. That's about the average size we've been catching, but still small, so we're gonna send him back. Okay, maybe I should put the camera on my head here, see if we can't catch one live on film. Got one. Here we go. Okay. So another smaller pike here. Let him get his spins out here. He's got a good hook on him. So we're gonna have to de-hook him. Let's get this camera back on my head here. Okay, let's see. So he's hooked. There. There we go. Got another, oh geez. $17.5 inch. Now they're out there, and we're catching them. Well, I didn't think I was actually going to catch one on camera, so that's cool. Okay, back to fishing. we're heading to a new fishing spot. We're just gonna move. There's the rest of us here. We're gonna move downriver further than we've ever gone before, so we're gonna explore, see what we can catch. Okay, so first cast in a new area here, and I caught another fish. And this one's actually pretty decent size. Oh, he also just dehooked himself. Sweet. He caught me right at the boat too. So, calm down, buddy. So let's get him measured, because this actual one might be a keeper here. I got 21. Are we keeping 21?
I think so.
Okay. 21. We're keeping it?
Keep it.
Okay. So let's go ahead and get this guy in a stringer.
Kyle just got a 21-incher, putting it on the stringer. I think that means there's only one more pike to be caught.
Okay. I got on the stringer. I wanted to show you the teeth a little bit there. You can see how sharp those teeth look right there. Cool. Then I'm on the stringer. We got to tie him up here and catch some more. Now, normally I wouldn't film this one, but it's different. So, got a small old bass here I just caught. So I'm gonna get him off. There we go. About 11 and a half. So I think it's my 6th or 7th fish of the day, so we're still catching them. We're getting later in the afternoon, so I think we're about done out as far as we're gonna go here. So we're just finding a few more fishing spots before we head back. But I think we're gonna fish late today because it's the last day. So hopefully we can land a big one before the end of the day. Just got back to the cabin here, Had a great day fishing. Caught about 10 fish today. Nothing of size, unfortunately, but had a great time. So I know it's a little bit of a different video, something different than what we normally do. So I'm gonna head up here to the main cabin and get a little bit of internet for a minute and then head out tomorrow morning. So hope you like this little video. If you did, drop a like now, comment, you have any comments or questions, anything like that, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I mean, usually if you're a first time watching something like this, usually do a lot of traveling, not so much outdoor sports, but hiking and traveling in and around the United States and Europe. So just go ahead and subscribe and see some more of some stuff from our channel. Till then, we'll see you in the next one.